What's up? I hope you people are safe and healthy. If you're new to my channel, my name is Madhu and I welcome you people to my channel Madhu Yadav Talk. The topic that I'm going to discuss today is something which every YouTuber wants to know, and that is how do I rank my YouTube videos on the #1 search of YouTube and also on the first page of Google search. And I'm telling you, it's definitely not a rocket science. You don't have to copy the keywords or the title or the description of some video that is doing really good. All you have to do is just focus on this video from the beginning till the end. I will show you what exactly I did to rank my video on the #1 search of YouTube and also on Google with live proof. So without any late, let's quickly get into the video. I filmed the whole video exactly 3 weeks ago and optimized it so well that it is consistent on the first rank of YouTube search and also on the first page of Google search. So let me just show you the same right now. For that, I'll be heading onto the YouTube application and I will turn on the incognito mode from here. And once it is done, I'll click on this search bar and I'm gonna type in my keyword which I have used, which is the key of this algorithm. So I'm gonna type in quarantine clothing haul, which is the video which I made, and I will be selecting, or I will quickly click on the option that says search. And if you can look at this one, the first video that is coming up on the screen right now is the video which I have uploaded 3 weeks ago. And all I did to get my video rank on the top search result is I just concentrated on 3 things, which all YouTubers do but a bit smartly. So the pro tip here are, and before we go to the tips, I will show you the same on the Chrome browser also. So I have opened a Chrome browser and let me just do the same thing. Again, I'm gonna type in the same keyword that I used on my YouTube search here on the Google search also. And if you can look at this one, see, here you will be able to find my video that I have uploaded already coming up on here on this search here. Now in order to show you people the same thing very clearly, let me just head on to my YouTube Studio application, which is here, and let me just go to the video and it's here. I'll click on this pencil icon and I'll show you what exactly I did so that my video is doing so good in terms of ranking, be it on YouTube search or be it on Google search. First thing is, come up with the title that can bring up the video to the people whenever they search for it, and repeat the same thing multiple times, be it on your title, be it on your description, even on your keywords. So I'll show you here. If you can look at this one, under title I have written quarantine clothing haul, online shopping haul, my first try on haul, and also my channel name is added at the end. I'll tell you why exactly I have added channel name at the end also. And let me just head on to my description. So if you can look at this one, quarantine clothing haul is added multiple times here. I have also used hashtags onto it, where I have used hashtag quarantine clothing haul, hashtag quarantine clothing haul. And if you can look at this one, almost I have added all these keywords. So all you have to do is, if you can go back and if you can look at the keywords here, even on the keywords I have used quarantine clothing haul multiple times. And that is what YouTube search, or that is what Google search looks for. How many times Google is able to find your keyword onto the information that you have updated, there will be same number of chances for your video to come up for your viewers. So all I tell you is just target few keywords and repeat them multiple times on your video, so that it would bring out good algorithm for your YouTube video, so that it might come up on the higher searches just like mine. Now, but if you can look at this one, let me just go back to this application here of YouTube. I'll show you the result directly. So if you can look at this one, my video is ranking on the higher searches. Now when you look at the different videos below, you will be able to find high number of views. One video has 55k views, other thing has 236k. So almost all the videos except this one, it has 122 views. Rest all have good number of views, maybe because they have huge subscribers, wherein the views and subscribers on my channel are very few. I'll show you the same thing here. So if you can look at this one, I have 510 subscribers as of now and the views are 782, but still my video is ranking higher than them, which is what makes you grow higher here in the search engine optimized world. And the second pro tip for the day is add searchable keywords as the tags. Now you might have a question, so as how did I add keywords? It's easy peasy. All you just have to do is research on YouTube search and also on the Google search, which I'm gonna show you now. So let me just head on to this YouTube application. Here what I'm gonna do is I will add the main keyword of my video, which is quarantine clothing haul, which I did it here. I'm gonna not hit on the search bar, but then I'm just going to see what YouTube is suggesting me the keywords for. So if you can look at this one, everything is related to quarantine clothing haul because that is the main search which I did. So what I'm gonna do is these particular results that I got here are something which viewers are searching for on YouTube. So these things are very basic thing, because whenever I type in, there are many people who just go through the suggestions that YouTube gives and they are going to click on this option and they are going to view the information which they are looking for. So I'm gonna make a note of all these particular keywords which I got on the YouTube search. I'm going to do the same thing on the Google search also. So here is the Google search. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna type in like quarantine clothing haul, quarantine clothing haul 2020, or anything that is related, and I'm gonna repeat the same thing here as well to check. Now if you can see, people also search for. So all these things here are the keywords which people mainly search for. Okay, so we are going to make a note of all these particular things that we get on Google search, also on the YouTube search. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add the same thing multiple times here on my video. I'll click on this pencil icon and I'll show you the same from here. Now if you can look at the description, quarantine clothing haul, all these are something which is the clubbed up keywords that I got from YouTube search and also from the Google search. I have used it to the maximum. All my research is something which I use to the maximum, be it on the description, be it on this particular keywords and all. My video is very well optimized around the keywords that can bring up the people to this video. Now our title is done, our keywords are done, and the next thing is how to frame description by using these keywords. It's very simple. All you have to do is just make sure that you add up all the information here in this way and use the same thing multiple times, so that it will be very much easy, and everything is going to be in the simple way what we are going to do as of now. So we know how to add title, how to add keywords, from where to get a nice description and all. Lastly, now here comes something that changes the complete game. Till now we did everything to make people find our video, be it on YouTube, be it on Google searches. But just people finding our video doesn't make them view that video. You have to make it look attractive. Now when I say you have to make your video look attractive, I'm talking about the thumbnail. A well optimized video without an eye-catchy thumbnail will never go good. I made this thumbnail so good that whenever viewers find it on Google, they might just click on to this one and it gives me a view, because it's very well it's clear, it's very eye-catchy. It's all about playing with different colors. Now when I tell playing with different colors, you don't have to add the complete background to be with a colorway. What you can do is you can make sure that you put up something. Let's take an example that your colors are very bright. Make the background to be very simple, very sober, and also make sure that you use bold words so that people will be able to read out your thumbnail. What is your video about is something people have to just gaze it on the thumbnail that you just show them. I'll show you different thumbnails which these people have used. In order to do that, let me just go to the YouTube search here and I'll show you from here. Quarantine clothing haul, and here we go. So if you can look at this one, all these things are something which is okay, but then would you really feel like clicking onto them or viewing them is something with this thumbnail and all might not be so very eye-catchy for your viewers to find it across. But then the first one is something that looks bit eye-catchy for the people, so that they can just click onto it and bingo, I get a view here. And all these things are something, when I talk about thumbnail, I use an application that is Canva, also the Pixel Lab. Many times I go with Pixel Lab. Even this particular thumbnail is updated using Pixel Lab only. I'll be showing you how exactly I edit my thumbnails in the coming videos also. So that's it guys. Just research is the main part. Hope you people got some useful insights. Just do these 3 things and I'm sure that it will work out for you. And in the coming videos I'll show you what are the different platforms wherein I go to promote my video for free and get results out of it. With that being said, thank you. I wish you all the very best, and do subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon that you will be notified about my next videos.